hoping too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you.
Oh my god, the XUV 700 is like makhan. But this was like 10x better than my SUV. I had the most amount of fun. It was one of the most amazing driving experience I have had so far.
Brilliant. I think in the back seat, XUV 700 was very good. Not bumpy, fairly smooth, decent cabin space, leg space.
The sunroof was huge. I loved it. I sadly we're not allowed to go out of it, but amazing, like felt so good. You know, if you're going for like a beach drive or like an evening drive, it'll feel amazing.
The infotainment is very nice. We actually used a lot of it. We actually blasted the music and it was still not cracking up or anything. It was really nice.
Having driven the OG Thar and having experienced what it was and to what it is now, it's sort of quite sophisticated in the sense of a Thar and a luxury being combined together. So it gives you that feel.
The ventilated seats were good. The music system was nice. We really vibed through the music and the system while coming up.
It's very, very, very spacious, especially for somebody who's a little taller than usual. I think I really needed the leg space, so I enjoyed it. But I have to definitely compliment their steering. It is so smooth.
Driving Thar was amazing. We didn't have any bumps. We saw so many steep slopes, which was very smooth drive. Believe me, everybody should try the Thar with off-roading.
It was just so much power. It was thrilling. It felt like freedom.
The car is amazing. You can really feel a lot of power. The suspension is great. You know, didn't feel like the car was skidding at any point, which is nice.
The off-roading which I experienced as a driver on Thar has been completely mind-blowing. I've left my comfort of well-paved roads coming to unpaved roads completely on the rocks with mud all across. But then that's fun and that's the comfort the car gave me. So I'm completely spellbound, as I could say.
Thar is amazing as a car, beautiful for off-roading, and it's really a very, very nicely designed and a built car.
Being a short girl, I loved that the seat gave me such great visibility, which is priority for me. The modes, especially the terrain mode, made it so much easier and it was a great experience overall.
I must say that the suspensions of the car really made a big deal in this because they gripped the car so well in all different kinds of terrains, and it made me feel very comfortable and confident in my first experience of off-roading.
The pickup actually very surprisingly was amazing. I did not expect to, look into the pickup of the car while off-roading a car, but the pickup was great.
The leeway that the car has to adjust forward, back, up, down, I think it's perfect. The steering was like smooth as butter. The comfort that I felt, it's a perfect combination of comfort and safety.
I think the Challenger was super good. There's like a lot of space, but I felt like I could have like fit more in. But ideally, I think to fit, I mean, you told me the highest is 36. So if somebody can fit 36 boxes in this compact SUV, I think it's crazy. I was able to fit 33 out of 37. Yeah, I think it's super spacious. It has a luxe feel to it. I really like the edges and the rims of it as well.
It is a huge space if you know how to pack properly. So you can fit in a lot of things, definitely.
When the boxes got out of the car, it was an insane number of boxes. I didn't think they could all fit inside, but I'm surprised at how much I was able to fit inside. Very large boxes, as you can see, didn't think would fit in the car. So great boot space.
I thought you guys are just bluffing when you said you could actually fit in all the boxes. But if I had some more time on my hand, I would have definitely somehow come up with a strategy and fit the remaining 3 as well.
When you look from the outside, it's impossible to believe that you could have actually fit in so many boxes.